Exploring Copenhagen on foot, a charming stroll through Danish delights. Copenhagen Walk, the vibrant capital of Denmark, is a city that effortlessly blends historical charm with modern innovation. One of the best ways to truly experience the essence of this enchanting city is by taking a leisurely walk through its picturesque streets. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, Copenhagen offers a captivating journey for every curious traveler. So, lace up your walking shoes and join us on a virtual stroll through the charming streets of Copenhagen. Our walk begins with a visit to one of Copenhagen's most iconic landmarks, the Little Mermaid statue. Perched on a rock along the waterfront, this statue is inspired by Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tale and has been welcoming visitors since 1913. Despite its petite size, the statue's significance and the scenic views of the harbor make it a must-see stop. Nyhavn, colorful quayside delight. A short walk from the Little Mermaid leads us to Nyhavn, a postcard-perfect quayside lined with vibrantly colored buildings. This bustling area was once a bustling commercial port, and today it's a hub of activity with numerous restaurants, cafes, and souvenir shops. Grab a seat by the waterfront, indulge in Danish pastries or a hearty smørrebrød, open-faced sandwich, and soak in the lively atmosphere. Amalienborg Palace, Royal Elegance. Continuing our walk, we arrive at Amalienborg Palace, the official residence of the Danish royal family. Rosenborg Castle Gardens, tranquility amidst the city. A short stroll from Amalienborg Palace takes us to the serene Rosenborg Castle Gardens. Feel free to explore the historic Rosenborg Castle, which houses a stunning collection of royal artifacts, including the Danish crown jewels. Stroll, shopping and urban charm. No walk through Copenhagen would be complete without a visit to Stroll, one of Europe's longest pedestrian shopping streets. This vibrant stretch is home to an array of boutiques, international brands, and local shops. The architecture of the surrounding buildings is a mix of old and new, creating a unique blend of urban charm. Tivoli Gardens, enchantment and entertainment. As we near the end of our walk, we find ourselves at Tivoli Gardens, a world-renowned amusement park that's been delighting visitors since 1843. The park boasts a magical atmosphere with beautifully landscaped gardens, charming architecture, and a variety of thrilling rides and attractions. Whether you're a fan of roller coasters or simply want to enjoy the ambiance, Tivoli Gardens offers an experience for everyone. Our final stop is Christiansborg Palace, a symbol of Denmark's rich history and political significance. The palace serves as the seat of the Danish Parliament, the Supreme Court, and the Prime Minister's office. Visitors can explore the opulent halls, historical artifacts, and even ascend the tower for panoramic views of the city. Walking through Copenhagen is like stepping into a storybook filled with history, culture, and modern marvels. From the picturesque harbor to the regal palaces, every corner of this city holds a treasure waiting to be discovered. So, next time you find yourself in this charming Danish capital, be sure to put on your most comfortable shoes and embark on an unforgettable journey through Copenhagen's enchanting streets.